Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to do it on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your TikTok application, then click on discover, and in this search box search here Duet, and now click on videos, and here you will find many videos which you can make duet. So I'm going to open this one, and after opening that actual video, click on this share and click on Duet, and this video is processing for Duet. It will take some moment to finish, and then your camera will automatically turn on. Then click on these videos and your video will be started to record, and when it's finished, click on this done icon, and now click this icon, and you can write a caption here, and you can set the privacy from here, and you can allow Duet, turn on off comments, and also turn off on allow stage from here. Now click on post now, and here we can see my Duet is uploading. So this is how we can do it on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.